Pat the Backyard Builder here. Well, I had a question on the forum the other day about how to do a window. And I thought the easiest way to answer the question might be to actually show the process. Well, sort of. I'm not going to actually make a mold here, but just kind of show you the steps here really quickly here on making a window here. Now, windows specifically they're a special kind of seam, but they're done in areas here that are open, and you can actually go through them and see the other side. Now they're actually done quite similarly to seams. There's a lot of technique that is done the same way. So I'm going to actually just demonstrate this on a seam. Now this particular model, okay, we've got the legs are open, but in order to pull this out of the mold, you need to split it on both sides here. So we need to have a seam in here that opens up. Now, difference basically between a seam and a window is that a window would actually be in a closed area, but it basically works the same way. If I was to just simply cover this all in latex, I would never be able to get it off, simply because there would be a solid connection between both halves of the body. So it wouldn't be able to physically come off. So I need to be able to split the mold somehow. So what you do to make your seam or your window, you just simply cover your model with the first layer of latex, and then you just simply take a piece of cardboard or paper, whatever, cut it to fit, and you just simply insert it into the area up against the latex, and then you just simply put on your subsequent layers of latex, putting the latex on both sides of the paper or cardboard, whatever it is that you use. And what happens, of course, is the latex is not going to stick at this point. It'll form two walls that come apart. So here's what the actual mold looks like. Now to release the model after you've made your mold, you just simply take a razor blade and cut through here and cut around the point on the inside here where the latex touches the model, and then it just simply opens up, and you have these points that come in to close off the gap, the window, or the seam, whatever it is, okay, and form the void for you. So I hope that takes care of some of the mystery surrounding the subject of seams and windows and stuff like that. It's actually a relatively simple concept to understand. Sometimes just need a quick little visual to show you how it's done. A little quality inspector here. So anyways, have a good day.